So I just wanted to make a quick video here. 2013 335. Super hard to find. Really nice options. Manual. Motor sounds great. It's got that really nice chocolate brown interior. No imperfections on the interior. Of course, manual shift. Really nice options on the car. Window stickers included. Body's in really good shape. Everything's in good shape. It's just it's a really nice car. No lights are on, no messages. Well, right now the hood's open, but that's it. So, there you go. It has a, as you can see, it has a burger intake. Now, if it was M Sport, it'd be 15 grand. All right, make an offer or buy it now. Thanks.